Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 7 and the name of the chapter is Congruence of Triangles. Now to understand congruency in a better way, polygon is drawn. Now what do you mean by polygon? A polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more sides. So this is the shape of a triangle, which is a polygon having 3 sides. So these two are polygon, right? Now are these two figures are congruent? These two figures look like each other. The condition for congruency says that these two figures are congruent if one when placed on the other they both should overlap exactly. Okay, so congruency says that if two figures are congruent if when placed on the other they both should overlap exactly. If we move this figure over this figure, we can see that it overlaps exactly. It means these two are congruent. Okay, let's draw another polygon. Are these two figures congruent? At first they don't look congruent, right? But that's the trick. This polygon when placed on this one, it overlaps exactly. So these two are congruent too. Okay, so doesn't matter how they are placed, but that's congruency. Let's understand a bit more about congruency. So when the two figures are said to be congruent, when they have the same size and same shape, then they are said to be congruent. Okay, now suppose we have this shape. And this shape. So these two shapes are completely different shape, right? These two figures are completely different. So we can easily say that these two are not congruent because their shape is completely different. They should, congruent means congruency says that they should have the same size and same shape. Okay, now look at this figure. We can see that this shape is same but their sizes are different, right? So these two are not congruent. So how can we say that if two figures are congruent or not? Is it only figures that can be congruent? Let us consider two line segments, say AB and PQ. Okay, both measure 3 units. So can we say that they are congruent? Of course, we can say that these two are congruent. Line segment AB is congruent to line segment PQ. So this is the symbol of congruency. Okay. Now suppose we have two angles like this with the same measure. Say both measure 45 degree. Okay, so yes, these two angles are congruent because they have the same measure. Now the question is, when the two figures are said to be congruent. Now look at these two triangles. We can say that these two triangles are congruent if the matching side and matching angles are congruent. These and this, these and this, this and this, and angles these and this, these and this, and these and this are congruent, then only we can say that two figures are congruent. We will understand more about this in the coming videos. Okay.